Most people want to become a millionaire, but almost no one wants to follow the system that actually creates one. Money is not built by luck hype or one big break. It is built by repeatable behaviors. If you follow these 5 ways with discipline, your financial direction changes permanently. First, build a high-income skill. Millionaires are usually paid for value, not time. Learn one skill that businesses pay well for: sales, marketing, coding, design, data, communication, problem solving. High-income skills multiply your earning power and give you leverage in any economy. Income growth starts with skill growth. Second, control lifestyle before income rises. Most people earn more and immediately spend more. That keeps them trapped. Keep your lifestyle stable while your income grows. The gap between what you earn and what you spend is your wealth. Protect that gap and invest it, instead of upgrading comfort too early. Third, invest automatically every month. Do not wait to feel ready. Automate investing into index funds, businesses, or long-term assets every month. Consistency beats timing. Small automatic investing builds compounding, and compounding is the real millionaire machine time. In the market matters more than perfect entry. If you want more practical money systems like this, subscribe to Money Matrix It and comment Millionaire if you are serious about building wealth step by step. Fourth, build a second income stream. One income source is risky. Build a second stream: freelancing content, digital products, small business, or investments. Multiple streams increase stability and speed up wealth. Creation millionaires rarely depend on only one paycheck. Fifth, track numbers weekly. What gets measured grows. Track income, savings rate, investments, and skill progress. Every week, numbers remove emotion and force improvement. When you see the score, you change. The behavior. Clarity creates better decisions. Becoming a millionaire is not magic. It is math plus discipline, high-value skills, controlled lifestyle, automatic investing, multiple income streams, and tracked numbers. Repeat this system long enough, and wealth becomes predictable. Subscribe to Money Matrix IT for discipline and money mindset systems like this video, and comment Start. If you are beginning your millionaire plan today, your future wealth is built by what you repeat, not what you wish.